So Kiran, you want mock post thermodynamics, snap mock post thermodynamics, and you're preparing for PSUs.
Yes, sir, PSUs.
NMDC especially, na?
NMDC interviews, sir, on 17th. So
Okay.
that's why I'm prepared.
Okay. So Kiran, what is thermodynamics, and what do you like the most in this subject?
Sir, thermodynamics, we can say it like a study of 3 E's, like equilibrium, energy, and entropy. So in this thermodynamics is used in all the power plants. Any form of energy transfer, this thermodynamics is used. So it is really relevant topic in the case for a thermal field, and not only thermal field, in the every field, this thermodynamics is a relevant field.
So which one is your favorite topic in thermodynamics?
So the first law, second law, third law.
First and second law.
Yes.
So what is first law of thermodynamics, Kiran?
Sir, first law is basically the conservation of energy, and in thermodynamics perspective of view, we can define it for a cycle also, and for a process also we can define. So for a cyclic process, it is defined as the net interaction of work is equal to the net interaction of heat between system and surrounding. This is the definition of first law for a cycle process. And in the case of a process, we have to introduce one new concept, that is internal energy concept. And so for a process, the first law is defined as the change in internal energy of the system is equal to the difference between the heat interaction and work interaction between the system and surrounding.
Okay. So generally we say that the energy is conserved, the total energy that is conserved.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, can we say the entropy is also conserved?
No, sir. Entropy is not conserved, sir. Entropy of the universe always increases.
Well, entropy, energy is a property?
Energy is a property, sir.
What about entropy? Entropy is also a property?
Entropy is also a property, sir.
So why both are not conserved?
Sir, the entropy comes when we define the second law of thermodynamics. So when in second law of thermodynamics, what we are saying is that the conservation of energy is the first law of thermodynamics, and the directive nature of the energy is the second law of thermodynamics. So in what second law of thermodynamics is basically saying that we cannot convert the heat energy completely to what basic concept of second law of thermodynamics. So when we convert the work energy to heat energy, there something is losing. We are losing something. We cannot use the same potential as we were having with the work when we are converting it into heat energy. So there is something losing. That is the entropy concept, sir. So entropy is never conserved. We are losing it always. So
entropy decrease करेगी.
Entropy is increasing always.
Entropy will increase.
Yes.
Why it will increase?
That the randomness of the system increases. So that the entropy increases with the universe.
Kiran, what about the degradation of energy? Like sometimes we say second law is also related with the degradation of energy. What do you mean by degradation?
Yes, sir. That I feel I explained it, that when we convert this work into heat, then there is a degradation of energy. That we were able to do a lot of work when we are using that when the energy is stored as work. But when we convert it into heat, we cannot perform the same amount of work with that. I can give one another example. If we are talking about a fuel combustion, so sir, the fuel air mixture, it is having the potential to do some kind of work. Okay, so when we combustion it, the energy is conserved. Energy is not changing. When we moving this mass of energy to do turbine and all, if we move this combustible gas, then that gas, the ability of that gas, that flue gas to do and compared to the fuel air mixture.
Okay, if I will ask you a very simple question, Kiran, we say that the energy generally, when we talk about second law of thermodynamics, we mention the quality of the energy is high at high temperature.
Yes, sir.
Quality of energy is high at high temperature.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
But high temperature entropy will be more or high, more or less.
Like entropy is defined as delta Q by T. In high temperature, the entropy is less.
At high temperature, entropy is less. Are you sure, Kiran?
Yes, sir. It's inversely proportional to temperature.
Like suppose if I will give you liquid water, and if you will increase its temperature so that it will be converted into steam, so which one will have more entropy? Or suppose if you will take water only, if I will give you water at 30 degrees Celsius, water at 70 degrees Celsius, which will
yes,
have
sir,
more
sir.
entropy?
Higher temperature will be having more entropy.
Water, if we are increasing the temperature of water, its entropy is increasing.
Yes, yes, entropy is increasing.
So how you can say the quality will be more at a high temperature? What's the reason behind that, Kiran?
Sir, high temperature, yes, sir. Quality that basically we defined by the how much work we can extract from that temperature. So let's say that we are developing an engine with the high temperature, and the engine will be always with the other temperature will be atmospheric temperature, right? So that temperature difference is high. So due to that temperature difference is high, we can extract more energy from that system if the system is in high temperature. So
what do you mean by completely reversible cycle? Yeah, reversible cycle. You heard about reversible cycle?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you mean by reversible cycle?
Sir, in reversible cycle, it's a kind of cycle in which the system and surrounding will come back to the same manner by same state after completion of one cycle.
No, in any cycle, whether the cycle is reversible or irreversible, in all cycles, if it is a thermodynamic cycle, then in all cycles the initial and final states are same.
No. That is for system. That is for system alone. We should talk about surrounding also. If it is completely reversible, the system will definitely come back to the initial state for all the cycles. But the surroundings, there will be some difference in the surrounding. If it is not reversible, if it is completely reversible, the surrounding also will be come back to the same state, sir.
So surrounding ka state, that is fixed, like the surrounding temperature, surrounding pressure, those are fixed. How you can say the surrounding state is changing? Surrounding, it is a reservoir, thermal energy reservoir. People say surrounding temperature, that is same, suppose 30 degrees Celsius. The surrounding pressure, P atmospheric. So is there any change in state of the surrounding?
Sir, into the nearby surroundings, sir. No, there will be some slight change. There will be some changes in the nearby surroundings.
Then also, like if you are considering the nearby surrounding, boundary, you're talking about the boundary.
Not boundary, sir. Just near to that boundary.
So what is the difference between a reversible cycle and irreversible cycle? Kiran?
Sir, in a reversible cycle, this let's say that our Carnot cycle is a reversible cycle, and some ideal cycles we can say it is as a reversible cycle. In that cycle, basically the system can be converted to the initial state through the same path. That means in every point,
Otto cycle, diesel cycle, these are not reversible cycles.
The actual Otto cycle and diesel cycles are reversible cycles, sir. In the concept of system, yes, sir.
So their efficiencies will be same if you will compare Carnot efficiency and Otto cycle efficiency.
That Carnot efficiency and sir, we will say that internal reversible cycle.
If they are operating between same temperature limit.
No, sir. The Otto cycle and diesel cycle are internally reversible cycles, sir.
They're
That
not
means
completely reversible.
not completely reversible.
So how you can make a cycle completely reversible?
That we can use isothermal process and sorry, sir. That it's a Carnot cycle is a completely reversible cycle, sir.
Okay, Kiran, let me give you the feedback. Normally, we
Okay,
keep
sir.
these snaps of 8 to 10 minute duration because
Okay,
in
sir.
any interview also, one
Okay,
snap
sir.
subject will be of that much duration only. So what I
Okay,
feel,
sir.
Kiran, you know the things, but actually you need to be very specific and very clear about your explanation. तो अभी थोड़ा सा
Okay, sir.
मिक्स कर रहे हो and you're not very much sure about what actually you are explaining. ठीक है? तो थोड़ा सा क्लियरिटी
Okay, sir.
लेके आओ. Clarity means,
Okay,
are
sir.
you getting my point, Kiran?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आपका explanation must be very clear so that interview will get clear idea what you want to say. तो अभी
Okay, sir.
उसमें
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा सा मिक्स अप कर रहे हो. I asked you about conservation of entropy. वहां पे आप थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गए. So you need to mention, sir, yes, it is a property. So, but energy is conserved. Total energy, sir. We are talking about total energy. Total energy is conserved. Considering
Yes, sir.
both, we are not saying ki the kinetic energy or potential energy or that. The total energy is conserved. Okay. So total
Yes,
energy
sir.
means, like, suppose if you are converting some heat, if you are having some heat form or you are burning some candle, so that candle, you cannot say that the candle chemical energy or that uh, energy will be constant. But what we can say, the energy of the candle plus the internal energy of the room, which is changing, plus the entire atmospheric energy. So total energy, what we can say, that is conserved. So candle
Yes,
अगर
sir.
burn करेगी तो क्या करेगी? That chemical energy of the candle will decrease, but it will lose heat into the surrounding.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that total energy क्या हमारा conserved है. But entropy क्या है? Entropy is not conserved. In any real process, entropy will increase.
Yes, sir.
That entropy increase, that net increase in entropy of the universe, that is known as entropy generation. So what you need to mention, sir, in any irreversible process, entropy
Okay.
generation is always positive. In a reversible
Yes.
process, entropy generation will be zero.
Yes,
ओके.
sir. Yes, sir.
तो आपको
Okay, sir.
साइकिल का जो ध्यान कर रहे थे आप, साइकिल का मतलब क्या है? एंट्रोपी चेंज द सिस्टम प्लस सराउंडिंग. सर, इफ इट इज अ साइकिल, एनी साइकिल, इफ यू विल टेक वेदर इट इज रिवर्सिबल इरिवर्सिबल, एंट्रोपी चेंज सिस्टम का क्या हो जाएगा? दैट विल बी जीरो.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
बट सर, विद दैट वी कैन नॉट से कि द साइकिल इज रिवर्सिबल साइकिल. ए रिवर्सिबल साइकिल वी कैन डिफाइन से दैट साइकिल इज अ रिवर्सिबल साइकिल if it is completely reversible both internally as well as externally. मतलब net
Yes.
entropy change क्या होना चाहिए? जीरो होना चाहिए.
Okay,
Entropy
sir.
change of the system plus entropy change of the surrounding.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I missed that
ठीक है.
concept.
तो
I should.
साइकिल में तो ठीक है, एंट्रोपी चेंज ऑफ द सिस्टम तो ठीक है, सराउंडिंग का भी क्या होना चाहिए? जीरो. अब हाउ यू कैन से कार्नोट साइकिल इज रिवर्सिबल साइकिल? What is the entropy change when you are taking heat? So what entropy you are decreasing? There is a decrease in entropy of the universe because you are taking heat from the some source. तो एंट्रोपी डिक्रीज करेगा ना, बिकॉज द इंजन इज टेकिंग हीट. कितना हीट ले रहा है? क्यू एडिशन बाय टी एच. उसको बोल दो Q1 by T1 suppose.
Yes, sir.
Q1 by T1.
Yes,
That is the
sir.
heat.
Yes, sir.
When
Yes,
you are
sir.
rejecting heat, when you are rejecting heat into the atmosphere, so again the entropy of the surrounding will increase. पहले तो decrease करेगा.
Yes,
When
sir.
you are taking it, it will decrease. So minus Q1 by T1.
Yes, sir.
Minus Q1 by T1. And when
Yes,
you are
sir.
rejecting it, that is Q2 by T2.
Yes, sir.
And what is their sum? Q1 by T1
That-
equal to Q2 by T2. For a
Yes, sir.
reversible cycle, through we know by thermodynamic temperature scale, Q1 by T1 equal to Q2 by T2 होता है thermodynamic cycle के किसी भी
Yes,
reversible
sir.
cycle के लिए. So if both are
Yes.
same, तो net entropy generation क्या हो जाएगा? That will be zero. But
Yes, sir.
अगर आपको वो confuse करने के लिए अगर ऐसा बोल देगा कि when you are adding heat, what is the entropy generation? तो क्या उसमें कोई entropy generation होगा? सर बिल्कुल होगा.
Yes.
हो सकता है. Entropy change होगा. Entropy change होगा उसमें. But
Yes,
entropy
sir.
generation की हम किसकी बात करेंगे? साइकिल की. साइकिल की बात करेंगे तो उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस में एंट्रोपी चेंज, यू आर टेकिंग हीट, दैट इज एंट्रोपी चेंज.
Yes, sir. Yes.
एंट्रोपी चेंज करेगा आपका.
Yes.
ओके. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, एंट्रोपी जनरेशन क्या है? दैट इज अ नेट सिस्टम प्लस सराउंडिंग. किरण, थोड़ा सा आपको और इसमें क्लियरिटी रखनी है. डिग्रेडेशन यू एक्सप्लेन. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ एनर्जी? Conservation of energy you explained. Reversible cycle, I think now you can explain what is that reversible cycle. रिवर्सिबल का मतलब क्या है? इंटरनली एज वेल एज एक्सटर्नली. इंटरनली मीन्स देयर इज नो फ्रिक्शन, एक्सटर्नली मीन्स देयर इज नो ग्रेडियंट.
Okay, sir.
So how you can make a reversible cycle? Sir, if you are adding heat at constant temperature, adding heat with infinitesimally small temperature difference, rejecting heat with infinitesimally small temperature difference.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is your reversible cycle.
Yes, sir. Yes.
उससे हम रिवर्सिबल को अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. इफ यू आर एडिंग हीट विद इनफाइनाइटेसिमली स्मॉल टेम्परेचर, मतलब जो सोर्स है एंड द सिस्टम वेयर यू आर एडिंग हीट बोथ आर एट सेम टेम्परेचर. अभी एक चीज और समझ लो.
Yes, sir. Yes.
आई आस्क्ड यू अबाउट द टेम्परेचर. द change in entropy is inversely proportional to temperature, not entropy. Kiran,
Yes, sir.
change in entropy is inversely proportional. What it means? It means if you are having a source, if you are adding heat at high temperature, जब भी आप हीट हाई टेम्परेचर पे ऐड करते हो तो एंट्रोपी चेंज क्या होता है? कम होता है. एडिंग हीट एट हाई टेम्परेचर, एंट्रोपी चेंज विल बी लेस. एडिंग हीट एट लो टेम्परेचर विल कॉज मोर एंट्रोपी चेंज. एंट्रोपी जनरेशन आपका बढ़ जाएगा, लॉसेस बढ़ जाएंगे, अवेलेबल एनर्जी घट जाएगा, इरिवर्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाएगा. इफ यू आर एडिंग हीट एट लो टेम्परेचर, एडिंग हीट एट हाई टेम्परेचर, एंट्रोपी चेंज विल बी लेस, irreversibility will be less, exergy will be more, available energy will be more. Okay, that's why it is good if you are adding heat at high temperature. Source का temperature जितना ज्यादा होगा, system, source and system both are at same temperature, so irreversibility will be less. ठीक है किरण?
Okay. Yes.
But entropy हमेशा बढ़ता है. टेम्परेचर बढ़ाओगे तो एंट्रोपी आपका बढ़ेगा. So you need to relate that. तभी तो हम क्या करते हैं? We carry out superheating ना. We carry out superheating, we carry out regeneration. Why? So that हमारा जो मीन टेम्परेचर ऑफ हीट एडिशन है वो बढ़ जाए. क्योंकि मीन टेम्परेचर ऑफ हीट एडिशन बढ़ेगा तो एंट्रोपी जनरेशन आपका कम हो जाएगा, इरिवर्सिबिलिटीज कम हो जाएंगी. ठीक है क्या? तो अभी ठीक था, बट थोड़ा सा आपको और व्हेन यू विल गो फॉर 1 2 3 more mocks, you will be able to explain, you will able to develop your explanation much more clear. Okay, now you are looking fine. आपका कॉन्फिडेंस वगैरह वो ठीक है, बट थोड़ा सा और क्लियरिटी इसमें लेके आनी है, कांसेप्ट्स में एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन. ठीक है क्या?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good luck, keep preparing.